Check this out. Majestic waterfall. Wow. Check this out, guys. The Vortex show has started. Woo! Guys, this is the best food ever of Singapore. Oh my god, this is my favorite one. I missed that literally, but now back. Woo! Wow. What's up? What's up? What's up, Tiger family? I'm super excited. We have a guest over here.
Hello.
Hello. You remember who is he? He's my brother. You have seen in many vlogs, right? So we are so excited because we are going to Singapore by Scoot Airlines. This is the first time we are going by Scoot. So super excited. And we finished our immigration and everything else. Looking for the gates, and that's the gate. So we have to go to the international launch, I guess, behind or something.
We'll ask them and then.
So guys, we are now heading to the launch. I am super excited. How come this is the launch?
No, it's usually
Doesn't make sense. Backside and right. Actually looking for the launch and
There's a lift.
super hungry. Excited even to fly to Singapore. Ooh, check out the airport. Check this out. Flying from Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Check out the food in the launch finally. Some food from the launch. Check out the launch. Finally inside the launch. Yay! Can't wait to eat. And the flight is in like 1.5 hours, so I'm really excited to go. Peace out. Peace out. Woo, bro, check this out. Hey. So finally had some amazing food over here in Encam launch. Not Encam.
No, the lift.
We have to use the lift, and it was really great. Now it's the time for our flight. Literally in 30 minutes we are going to fly to Singapore, and I'm super excited to show you guys Scoot Airlines because it's the first time we are flying, and my stomach is really happy now that we are flying to Singapore. She's my mom. Oh, yo, mom, you'll be on my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hey. We are going to fly now. Literally in the aero bridge. Now gonna check out the flight. Scoot for the first time. Check out the line. Finally inside the Scoot Airlines.
A reminder that all hand luggage that cannot be physically locked under the safety comfort will be open.
Check this out, guys. We are in the Scoot.
Out of the compartment. We are also reminded, as the aircraft is being reviewed, please remain seated with your seatbelt unfastened. All aisles and exit now.
Finally, we are inside the Scoot Airlines, and tomorrow we'll be arriving at 8:30 Singaporean time. So looking forward to see you all in Singapore with this best ever airport, Changi Airport. Now we're going to reach at what time?
8:30.
8:30 a.m. will be in Singapore. So that would be what time in India? 6:30, right?
Yeah.
It would be 6:30 in 6 in India. 2.5 hours ahead of the time. So stay tuned and keep watching. Subscribe. Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, and we are finally in Singapore. So happy. I was like in a need to go to the washroom urgently. So I'm waiting to give you this arrivals. Check this out. Huge airport. We are at Changi airport, and it's going to be really interesting, the journey. We have more surprises coming up for you, and let's see where we can have the breakfast. But first we need to clear the immigration. So after that, let's go and have some breakfast, and then finally head to the most important part of the itinerary, which is nothing but the cruise. Royal Caribbean cruise. Can't wait to get into the Royal Caribbean cruise and to show you guys how massive it is. So keep watching and stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. This is Changi Airport. Okay guys, so successfully finished the immigration, and now we are heading to the bell to collect our baggage. I have my bags with me, but my brother and my mother have one baggage, so we're going there to collect it. Finally, I'm so happy. It's crazy. Check out the airport, guys. It's so beautiful. Some of the best airports I've been so far in our traveling journey. Check this out. We are at Changi Airport. Wow.
Again,
Wow, guys, check this out. We are finally at the majestic Changi Airport.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mask. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mask. I'ma tell you.
What is the specialty of this place?
ecosystem that you see,
Uh-huh.
it's all driven by this waterfall. So
Wow.
it's really an engineering marvel.
Wow.
Like the waterfall didn't start yet, but once it starts, you get to experience that ecosystem.
Wow.
The atmosphere that is like making these plants alive. So you will see all of that.
That's beautiful.
So it's self-contained. Nothing is like artificial.
Yeah.
Everything is like self-contained within this.
Wow.
So that's why it's called jewel.
Changi Jewel, right?
Changi jewel.
Check this
It's
out,
insane.
guys. And what is this concept of Disney?
That's just PR.
A show.
PR for them.
Nice. Oh my god, here the Changi airport is so amazing, like so huge, and I feel so nostalgic because back then, 20 years before, we used to live here in Singapore. I studied my schooling in Singapore, Global Indian International School, East Coast campus, and I feel really happy to come back and visit and revisit my memories over here. It's like a living dream coming true. Beautiful, and this is the maps guide. If you ever get lost, you can just take the help of the maps right here, because Changi airport is really huge and you have to really get hang of it. So for that, if you ever want to shop something or look for food eateries, lots of eateries over here. So enjoy the Changi airport video. So that's how you can look for any shop. Specifically, we're trying to search for Victoria's Secret perfumes.
And then that's we have
Guys, we are heading to this boutique shop where I'm so excited to purchase my favorite perfume, Victoria's Secret, for the Royal Caribbean cruise vibes. This would be the perfect. Let's get inside and check out.
not yet. It's not.
Oh, the shop is closed.
I just wanted to show you.
I suppose this looks like a food court or something. Check this out, guys. Welcome to Singapore. Wow, check this out, guys. This is a Vortex, literally.
This is the
Changi Jewel Vortex, which is the largest in the world. Wow. Out, guys, this is the best food ever of Singapore. Oh my god, this is my favorite one. I missed that literally, but now back. Woo. Wow. Lavender. Fresh food ready. Welcome to Singapore. Purchased from Lavender, my favorite chicken floss sausage bread. Purchased from Lavender, my favorite chicken floss bread. This is the food court where you can just buy anything what you want, delicious and yummy. Check this out, guys. We have lavender, now we have the meatballs, and this is Old Changi. Wonderful place where you can buy amazing stuff for just cheap bucks. Yummy, yummy. Changi. This is the food. Finally eating this amazing and waiting for the Changi Jewel fountain, right? Vortex show. Changi Jewel Vortex show is gonna start in few minutes, so we are having a breakfast, which is my favorite. These are chicken cheese meatballs, and then we have the chicken floss bread for
from
which
Old Changi. This one is
this
very
is
famous.
from Old Changi, as you have seen in the video.
It's heritage.
And now we are going to eat the lavender one soon. Yummy, yummy. delicious. Okay, now finally we have got this sausage floss bun from Bread Talk. Let me just taste it.
Takes me
So
back.
nostalgic. Takes me back to my school days. Me and my brother used to fight because we used to get less pocket money. Obviously, any kid would get less pocket money. But now that we have got money, it's time to eat this amazing bread here and wait for this Vortex show. Peace out, guys. Singapore is giving us such amazing vibes. I can't wait to show you guys how the Royal Caribbean cruise Spectrum of Seas would look. It would be like a blast off vlog, so keep watching and stay subscribed. Always share this video with your friends so that our channel is growing. Welcome to Singapore, guys. Wow. Check this out, guys. The Vortex show has started. The Vortex show has finally started. Check this out. Whoa.
Look at the mist going.
Yeah. Wow. Wonderful. Beautiful. Finally, time has started. Check this out, majestic waterfall. Wow. Yeah. Check this out, guys. We are inside the SkyTrain, heading to Terminal 2.
That's true.